Hi everyone, it's Mark from Top Homeowner. Today we're going to talk about how you can repair some minor wood damage without replacing the wood itself. Alright, so what we have here is we've got some minor termite damage that has occurred to the outside of some wood in the home. The termites have been removed, but they've left some of their damage behind. And so basically what you can see here is some holes in the wood where they've gone in, and it really isn't too bad, but we really can't just leave that and paint over it, so we need to fill the wood in. Now what you would do normally to fix this is you would cut the wood out and replace it, but to make things a little bit easier, what we're going to be doing is using this all-purpose Bondo. We're going to mix it up, and then we're going to fill in the holes with this, and then we'll sand it down and we'll be able to paint it, and you'll never know that you had a problem. So you want to always follow the directions on the product exactly as they state, and one of the important things with this stuff is it says to wear latex or some protective gloves, so I got my gloves on. And what we're going to do is we're going to take out, it says here, basically it says a 3-inch diameter circle, 1/2 inch thick, and we're going to mix it together with a hardening agent that is included. And so it's kind of like it would be like an epoxy based kind of a mixture. So you'll mix it up, and then we'll have a little bit of time to work with it and apply it to the wood. Now, surface prep is important. We've already gone through and prepped the surface for the product, so we're just going to mix up a batch and then apply it. So in order to prep the area, what we've done is we've scraped off all the loose paint and sanded down the area so that way it has a clean surface to adhere to. If it was dirty, then we'd want to wash it down with some soap and water and then let that dry completely. But what we've done previously is we've actually pressure washed the whole front of the garage, so we don't need to take that step. Okay, so this is what it looks like after the Bondo has dried and has been sanded down. So now all we have to do is go back over this with paint, and you'll never know that damage was there. All right, so I hope you found that video helpful. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave a comment or question below, and I'll try to answer that question as soon as I can. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, where our goal is to help you become the top homeowner in your neighborhood. Thanks for watching.